Dawn, you know I was telling you about that video conferencing solution?
Yeah.
I want to show you that PDF that we were talking about. I didn't bring my laptop, but it doesn't matter. I can show you on my phone.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
All right, what I'm going to do is I'll just quickly connect to your screen. It will be as if I had my laptop here. It's actually a new product that we've got, the 𝙤𝙬𝙧𝙪𝙬 remote desktop, which you can now access through any modern mobile device. So I'll just borrow, I've found your keyboard and mouse lying around, so I'm just going to use that.
Okay.
And I'm just going to log in to my phone. And there we go. Thank you very much. Let's have a look. So, right, I'm just going to connect to my system. I've just got a phone plugged into your TV, connected, found a USB keyboard that you've got from your computer, and bang, I'm in, and look, I've got everything I need. I've got my Excel document that I had open, everything's left where I was using it before. Here's that PDF that I wanted you to have a quick look at. Now that we want to do this, I'm going to send you a quick email. So take a look at this and see what you think. Thanks. Because it's full fat Windows, I can do everything like I would do on my laptop. So I just drag my attachment in there and send it, and that's it. It's done. I couldn't have done this a few years ago without the power of virtual desktop. But because I've got my phone, I've got the connection to the cloud, my system is always online, always got all my data when I need it.
So all you need on your phone is the app?
Yeah, and it's just a bog standard adapter, nothing special about it. Just connects to any HDMI screen, monitor, big screen TV, any USB keyboard or mouse you've got lying around, or a cordless one, it doesn't matter. And I could work like this all day. And one of the best things about it is, when you finish with it, when you disconnect the cable from your phone, it's gone. There's nothing left here. No phone, no files, no data, no nothing. So there's no security risks whatsoever. As a matter of fact, it's even more secure than having your own laptop here, because there's no chance of it going missing or data leaking or anything like that. So fantastic new product, the new remote desktop from 𝙤𝙬𝙧𝙪𝙬 with now mobile access. So yeah, if you get stuck in lockdown, you get stuck on holiday, you've instantly got access, full access to your work. So there's no excuses, I'm afraid, not anymore.